What's going on, YouTube? So, special little video that we're gonna put together. Nice view we have here in Musquamacut, Rhode Island. Not too bad, huh? I mean, if you own a Rivian, do Rivian stuff, I guess. Come out on the beach. So, anyways, let's get back to the video. We got a couple things in from our friends at Rivian, and what they are is, first, looks like the flashlight, right? Well, nope, it is not. It is something for the people that, you know, the flashlight's down in here, that don't need the flashlight, don't want the flashlight, whatever. You can use something that pretty much everybody can use. And what it is a power bank and hand warmer. Pretty cool. I will use this a lot. I'm out at football, pee-wee football, high school football, and it's getting cold out. This thing fits in the hand perfectly, looks really cool, and charges right in the door. So we're gonna try some things out. We're gonna see how it works. I have another phone with me. First and foremost, skipping along, let's look at the packaging. It's just pretty easy. I should say pretty straightforward. It's some codes over here and stuff like that, and a little graphic on it, and then a QR code. Go ahead and pause and scan. I haven't looked at it, not sure what it does, but here is the power button right here, and then it says the hand warming function. You press the bottom one. So let's see if it's got some juice. I haven't charged it or whatever, so let's go ahead and see the hand warming function. And I just clicked it on. Let me see how long it takes to warm up, or even if it does have a charge. I'm not sure if it's getting warm, to be honest with you. Oh, say right here. Oh yeah, okay. 2 little dots, and yeah, it's getting warm. Damn, that's pretty cool, actually. So, say a minute in, it's already getting warm. It's not crazy. It pretty much warms up. I mean, the feel that I'm getting right now would be comparison to the steering wheel. But it is totally, yeah, it's getting hot. And let's see the way it's contoured. I would hold it like this, and the reason why, not that it really matters, but you see it has a flat edge right here. So it'd be like, you know, my fingers will kind of grip it a little bit. But yeah, holding this in your hand, in your pocket or whatever, I mean, one hand at a time type thing, unless you got 2. But it definitely does the trick for hand warming. And let's go ahead and click that off. All right, so it has settings, so hot, not so hot, and off. Let's grab the USB-C wire from the back here and power bank it. So what we do is go ahead and click into here. Obviously, try to do this a little bit of one-hand action, kid show. And then we're gonna go ahead and take the old other phone off and plug it in. It's plugged in, and boom, we have a charge. So it does the trick. It does what it's supposed to. Is there any lights on up here? No. All right, so we'll press this one up here, and it says 4 green lights. 2. Yep, so that means it's only about halfway charged. That's what that's telling you. So the top button, easy enough. Press it, lets you know where your charge is. The bottom one, hand warmer. And can you do hand warming while it's plugged in? Doesn't appear so. Let me unplug it. Nope, doesn't appear so. Nope. All right, so it's coming on. I'm gonna leave that on right there. We're gonna go ahead and plug in, see what happens. It went green. I did hear the phone click on. It says it's at 1 now. So we got 2. Yeah, so we don't have a charge, I should say hand warming, while it's, and so I did unplug it. I guess it does take a couple seconds for it to, yeah, it takes a couple seconds for it to register what you want to do with the hand warming after unplugging it too. No biggie. So next, it's gonna get some, we're gonna get windy. Let's go ahead and hop out. We got the old flashlight here. Let's take that, put that over there. And in comparison to the flashlight, we are exactly the same size, obviously, because this plugs into here. So go ahead. And boom. You got your charger in there. And it'll go ahead and charge up using your door. I'm gonna leave my flashlight in there and just use this within the car. Get back in, use it within the car, plug it in, charge it up, and throw it into what's next, which is Rivian's new center console storage that they sent me. Pretty cool. Let's take a peek at the old one. Here it is. So we're gonna go ahead and get all this out. We got a bag of change. We got some keys. We got a whole bunch of some cards and so on and so forth. Let's get rid of all this crap. All right, we removed the spiggin. I'm gonna go with spiggin. So we removed that one, which works well, but we also have all this down here that just gets wasted. So what Rivian thought of is having like a high-rise apartment in here, double decker. So let's go ahead and put this in. And what that does, it also has an area to free up for your Sentry, or what do you call gear guard. I'm using Tesla terms, Sentry. And also the USB-C right down there, so you can get right to it, which is cool. And then put some stuff down here, and then you have your top level, which goes right on top, which can, you know, hold sunglasses or whatnot. So you technically have like 3 levels now, which is much better. So I'm gonna go ahead and situate it up and do a comparison of storing that crap with this crap, and see how it turns. All right, we have organized everything out of the old school spiggin, except for a key that I don't need anymore. So I'm gonna get rid of that. But in any case, took everything out of that, put it in here, organized it much better, easier to get to for me. Not brain surgery, but you know, I do like the 3-row storage, the R1S of storage, if you say, pun intended. Works out pretty well. Let's take a peek. We got the top one, which has my sunglasses. Shout out to Rising Tide Nutrition in Westerly, keeping us all healthy with healthy drinks. Some Tums for when I don't eat or drink so healthy. A pen for when I'm doing checks on the go, putting mobile checks in. So yep, I used my wire and then plugged the charger into here, because I'll leave it in here because I used my flashlight in the door. Never actually used a flashlight, but I'll leave it in the door. Got my keys, got some my change, some more Tums, a little pouch to wipe off the screen and whatnot, some chapstick, my Beats, some coupons, and like I said, it all fits really well and accordingly. So if I want to get my glasses, if I just need to grab my keys out, everything's kind of organized nicely, Fits perfectly. Well thought out. Can get to everything, even, you know, don't have to break anything out. Go ahead and get to that real easy. Get to my Beats. That's my backup for my earphones when I leave my AirPods somewhere. So, in any case, works out well. So, quick video. Shout out to our friends at Rivian for sending these over. Great little product right here. I'm going to use that hand warmer probably more than I use the power bank. Super cool. I like that function of this. I also love the triple deck. There are 3-row storage. Even though I don't really use anything in the bottom, I was able to tuck this wire away accordingly, and it's just not in the way of anything, so that works out. And if I don't want to use that, I could, or plug it to this, I could just plug it up and put it to here. Cool. Awesome, Rivian. Thanks for the stuff. You guys, go to Rivian, load up the cart. Don't have a code for you, but you can use my code for referral and get this stuff basically for free. You use my code and you're getting a new Rivian. So here's my code. It's in the description. Use it and do some stuff like I'm doing right now. Come out onto a beach, onto the sand in this nice November in Rhode Island, 70 degrees at noontime. Can't beat that. Yep. Thanks, guys. See you on the next one.